Are you wasting Ramadan? Do this now. Are you just waiting for iftar, scrolling endlessly, or sleeping all day? If so, you might be wasting Ramadan. But don't worry. I'll share 5 simple ways to make every second count. Let's go. Tip 1. Renew your intention. Even sleeping can be worship if done for Allah's sake. Before bed, say, Ya Allah, I rest so I can worship you better. That way, you earn rewards even while you sleep. Read and reflect on the Quran. Don't just rush through the Quran. Read 1 juz per day and write down 1 lesson to apply. Even if it's just 1 ayah, make it meaningful. Tip 3. Avoid time wasters. Netflix, social media, and sleeping all day? Replace them. Listen to Islamic lectures, do dhikr, or even help someone in need. Every second in Ramadan is precious. Use it wisely. Tip 4. 1 to 11 dua. Your dua is never rejected while fasting. Make a list and say them before iftar in sujood and at tahajjud. And don't forget this powerful dua. Allahumma inna afu tuhibbul afu fa'af anni. Oh Allah, you love to forgive, so forgive me. Tip 5. Won't miss Laylatul Qadr. This one night is worth 1,000 months of worship. Pray extra rakahs, give even $100 one in charity, and make sincere dua. This could be your chance for Jannah. Ramadan is passing fast. Don't waste it. Comment below your Ramadan goal and share this video so others can benefit. See you in the next one, inshallah.